Exploring the ancient practice of chakra healing. Welcome to Consciousness Chronicles, where we delve into the depths of ancient practices to enhance our well-being and spiritual growth. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of chakra healing, a practice that has been around for centuries and continues to play a vital role in our modern lives. Join us as we uncover the powerful connection between chakras and mind-body health, unlock energy flow, and discover practical tips for beginners. Don't miss out on this insightful journey into the 7 chakras and their unique significance. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video to stay connected with our channel for more enlightening content. Let's begin our exploration of chakra healing together. The powerful connection between chakras and our mind-body health. One interesting fact lies in the correlation of each chakra with specific organs and systems in the body. The root chakra, for instance, is linked to the adrenal glands, which play a crucial role in our fight or flight response. Moving up the chakras, the sacral chakra is associated with the reproductive system and creativity, highlighting the interconnectedness between physical health and energy centers. When any chakra is blocked or unbalanced, it can manifest as physical ailments or emotional disturbances, underscoring the need for holistic healing approaches. Furthermore, the color associated with each chakra holds significance in understanding its functions and imbalances. The solar plexus chakra, represented by the color yellow, governs our sense of self-worth and personal power. Visualizing and working with this color can aid in activating and harmonizing this chakra, promoting confidence and vitality. This visual aspect of chakra healing adds a tangible and accessible dimension to practices such as meditation and energy work. Moreover, the ancient practice of yoga is deeply intertwined with chakra healing, as specific yoga poses and sequences are believed to stimulate and balance the energy centers. Poses like bridge pose, cobra pose, and tree pose target different chakras, promoting flow and alignment within the subtle body. Integrating yoga into one's chakra healing journey can enhance physical health, mental clarity, and emotional well-being, providing a comprehensive approach to holistic self-care. Lastly, the practice of sound healing through mantras and affirmations is another powerful tool for chakra alignment. Each chakra resonates with a specific sound frequency, such as Lam for the root chakra and Om for the crown chakra, facilitating vibrational healing on a deep level. By chanting these mantras or affirmations, individuals can remove energetic blockages, restore balance, and elevate their consciousness. Sound healing serves as a potent modality for connecting with the subtle energy body and unlocking the transformative potential of chakra work. Ancient origins of chakra healing and its modern-day relevance. The roots of chakra healing can be traced back thousands of years to ancient Indian spiritual traditions, particularly within the practice of yoga and Ayurveda. In these ancient systems, the concept of chakras as energy centers along the spinal column was viewed as a fundamental aspect of holistic well-being. The Vedas, ancient Indian scriptures, mention the chakras as pivotal points where consciousness and prana, or life force, intersect. Understanding the subtle energies of the chakras was considered crucial for achieving harmony between the mind, body, and spirit. The chakra system found in ancient teachings aligns closely with the principles of traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, and other ancient healing modalities from around the world. Across diverse cultures, the idea of energy centers within the body influencing health and vitality can be seen, illustrating the universal nature of this concept. As globalization and cross-cultural exchange continue to shape the modern world, the prominence of chakra healing as a holistic practice has transcended geographical boundaries and cultural divides. In the context of modern society, where stress, anxiety, and lifestyle-related ailments are prevalent, the relevance of chakra healing has become increasingly significant. Many individuals are seeking complementary and alternative approaches to health and well-being that incorporate mind-body-spirit connections. Chakra healing offers a comprehensive framework for addressing not only physical symptoms but also emotional imbalances and psychological stressors. By integrating ancient wisdom with contemporary knowledge, practitioners and seekers of holistic health can access a wealth of resources to support their healing journey. Advancements in technology and scientific research have also contributed to the validation and understanding of energy medicine practices such as chakra healing. Studies on the bioenergetic field and the impact of subtle energies on health outcomes have shed light on the intricate interplay between the physical body and the subtle energy body. The synergy between ancient origins and modern research underscores the enduring relevance and efficacy of chakra healing in promoting overall well-being in the 21st century. Unlocking energy flow: how chakra balancing can enhance well-being. Chakra balancing is a key aspect of maintaining optimal energy flow within the body and is believed to positively impact overall well-being. Each chakra is associated with specific organs, emotions, and aspects of life, and when these energy centers are blocked or imbalanced, it can manifest as physical or emotional ailments. By engaging in practices such as meditation, yoga, sound healing, or energy work, individuals can work to harmonize and align their chakras, promoting a smoother flow of energy throughout the body. One fascinating aspect of chakra balancing is the interconnectedness between the chakras and various aspects of one's existence. For instance, the heart chakra, located in the center of the chest, governs love, compassion, and relationships. When this chakra is out of balance, individuals may experience difficulties in forming connections with others or struggles with self-love. By focusing on balancing the heart chakra through practices that promote compassion and forgiveness, individuals can enhance their emotional well-being and strengthen their relationships. Moreover, the chakras are believed to be linked to the endocrine system, with each chakra corresponding to a specific gland. This connection highlights the intricate relationship between the energetic and physical bodies, illustrating how imbalances in energy centers can potentially impact hormonal regulation and overall health. Through the practice of chakra balancing, individuals can support their endocrine system's functioning and promote hormonal balance, which is crucial for maintaining optimal health and vitality. Another compelling aspect of chakra balancing is the concept of vibrating at a higher frequency. Each chakra is associated with a specific vibration or frequency, and when these energy centers are balanced and aligned, individuals are said to emit a higher energetic frequency. This heightened vibrational state is believed to attract positive experiences, opportunities, and individuals into one's life, creating a ripple effect of positivity and well-being. By incorporating chakra balancing techniques into daily practices, individuals can elevate their energetic frequency and enhance their overall quality of life. Exploring the 7 chakras, understanding their unique significance. The 7 chakras are key energy centers located along the spine, each with its unique significance and connection to different aspects of one's physical, emotional, and spiritual being. Starting from the base of the spine, the root chakra is associated with grounding, survival instincts, and feelings of security. When this chakra is in balance, individuals may feel a sense of stability, security, and connectedness to the physical world. However, an imbalance in the root chakra can lead to feelings of insecurity, fear, and instability. Moving up the spine, the sacral chakra is linked to creativity, sensuality, and emotional expression. This chakra governs one's relationships, passion, and ability to experience pleasure in life. When the sacral chakra is balanced, individuals may feel creative, emotionally stable, and in tune with their desires. Imbalances in this chakra can manifest as creative blocks, emotional volatility, or difficulties in forming intimate connections with others. The solar plexus chakra, located in the upper abdomen, is associated with personal power, self-esteem, and confidence. When this chakra is balanced, individuals may feel self-assured, motivated, and capable of achieving their goals. However, imbalances in the solar plexus chakra can result in low self-esteem, feelings of powerlessness, or a lack of direction in life. By working to harmonize and empower the solar plexus chakra, individuals can cultivate a strong sense of self-worth and assertiveness. Further up the spine, the heart chakra is the center of love, compassion, and emotional balance. This chakra governs one's ability to give and receive love, as well as to cultivate compassion for oneself and others. When the heart chakra is balanced, individuals experience harmonious relationships, inner peace, and a deep connection to others. Imbalances in this chakra can lead to feelings of loneliness, bitterness, or an inability to trust others. By focusing on opening and balancing the heart chakra, individuals can foster love, empathy, and emotional well-being in their lives. Practical tips for beginners to start exploring and balancing their chakras. As a beginner looking to explore and balance your chakras, there are several practical tips and techniques you can incorporate into your daily routine. One effective method is through meditation and visualization, where you focus on each chakra individually, envisioning them glowing brightly and rotating smoothly. This practice can help bring awareness to any imbalances and blockages within your energy centers, allowing you to work towards harmonizing them. Another way to begin balancing your chakras is through yoga poses specifically designed to target each energy center. Poses such as mountain pose for the root chakra, cobra pose for the heart chakra, and warrior pose for the solar plexus chakra can help stimulate and activate the corresponding chakras, promoting a sense of balance and alignment within the body. Incorporating the use of healing crystals and gemstones can also aid in balancing your chakras. Each chakra is associated with specific crystals that resonate with its energy, helping to amplify and restore balance. For example, amethyst is often used to balance the crown chakra, while citrine is associated with the solar plexus chakra. Placing these crystals on or near the corresponding chakra during meditation or throughout the day can enhance the balancing process. Lastly, maintaining a healthy lifestyle that includes proper nutrition, regular exercise, and self-care practices can support the overall balance of your chakras. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole foods can nourish your body and energy centers, while engaging in physical activities like walking, running, or yoga can help keep your energy flowing freely. Practicing self-love, mindfulness, and gratitude can also contribute to a more balanced and harmonious state of being as you continue your journey of exploring and balancing your chakras. Exploring the ancient practice of chakra healing. Explore the depths of chakra healing with us on Consciousness Chronicles. Dive into ancient practices to enhance your well-being and spiritual growth. Subscribe for more enlightening content and like this video to stay connected. Join us in unraveling the mysteries of the mind, body, and soul.